Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I am sharing the top 20 accountant interview questions and answers focusing on UAE specific accounting, VAT, corporate tax, and compliance. These are the most frequently asked questions in companies across Dubai, Abu Dhabi, and other UAE regions. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss the next set of accountant interview tips and career guidance. Question number 1. Can you introduce yourself and explain your accounting experience specifically in the UAE? Thank you for the opportunity. My name is Alina. I have completed my bachelor's degree in commerce and have around 1.5 years of accounting experience in the UAE. During this time, I worked with the XYZ company where I handled day-to-day bookkeeping, managed accounts payable and receivable, and assisted in preparing monthly financial statements. I also worked on VAT filings, reconciled accounts, and ensured compliance with the UAE tax regulations. Additionally, I gained experience using accounting software like Tally and QuickBooks for maintaining accurate records. This role helped me improve my attention to detail, analytical skills, and understanding of UAE specific accounting practices. I'm eager to bring this experience to a new position where I can continue contributing effectively to the finance team. Question number 2. What do you know about the UAE's corporate tax regime? UAE introduced corporate tax in June 2023 at a 9% for profits above AED 3,75,000. Profits below this threshold are taxed at 0%. And free zone companies may be exempt if they meet regulatory requirements. I stay updated on deadlines to ensure compliance. Question number 3. How do you prepare and file VAT returns with the Federal Tax Authority? I reconcile input and output VAT from invoices and accounting software, verify all transactions and submit the VAT return through the FTA portal before the deadline to avoid penalties. Question number 4. What is the difference between input VAT and output VAT, and how do you handle them in accounting entries? Input VAT is the tax a company pays on purchases, while output VAT is collected on sales. The net difference is either paid to or refunded by the FTA. Question number 5. Can you explain what zero rated was exempt supplies mean under UAE VAT law? Zero rated supplies like exports or certain medical goods are taxed at 0% but allow input VAT recovery. Exempt supplies such as healthcare and education are not taxed and input VAT cannot be reclaimed. Question number 6. How do you maintain records and documentation for VAT audits? What records do you think are essential? I maintain invoices, receipts, contracts, and VAT reports systematically. This ensures readiness for FTA audits and helps prevent errors or penalties. Question number 7. What is corporate tax in the UAE and which entities are exempt? Corporate tax applies to UAE companies earning profits above AED 3,75,000 at 9%. Free zone companies may be exempt if they comply with reporting requirements and operate within regulations. Question number 8. How do you reconcile tax accounts, provisional tax payments, and final tax liabilities? I reconcile tax accounts monthly by matching entries with invoices and payments. This ensures provisional payments are correctly applied and final tax liabilities are accurate before filing. Question number 9. What are some common pitfalls or mistakes companies make when filing VAT in the UAE? Common mistakes include wrong VAT rates, missing invoices, or misclassifying supplies. I avoid this by reconciling accounts and reviewing entries carefully before submission. Question number 10. How do you stay updated with the changes in UAE tax or FTA regulations and IFRS standards? I follow FTA updates, attend webinars, and read accounting newsletters. Staying informed ensures compliance with the UAE specific accounting and tax regulations. If you are finding these questions useful, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and share it with friends preparing for UAE accounting interviews. Moving on, question number 11. Have you used accounting software or tools for UAE VAT or corporate tax compliance? Tell about your experience. I have used QuickBooks, Tally, and SAP for bookkeeping, VAT filing, and corporate tax reporting. I ensure UAE specific tax codes and rates are applied correctly in all entries. Question number 12. Explain accrual versus cash basis accounting. Which basis is more commonly used or relevant for companies in UAE? Accrual accounting records revenue and expenses when they occur, while cash basis records them on actual cash transactions. Most UAE companies use accrual accounting for accurate reporting and compliance. Question number 13. How do you handle fixed asset depreciation under UAE company rules and how you report depreciation in financial statements? I calculate depreciation using straight line or reducing balance methods as per company policy. Depreciation is recorded monthly to reflect accurate asset values. Question number 14. Can you give an example of when you found a discrepancy in financial statements? How you investigated and resolved it? If I notice a discrepancy, I check supporting documents, verify invoices, correct journal entries, and inform the finance manager. This ensures reports are accurate and reliable. Question number 15. What internal controls do you think are important for UAE companies to avoid fraud or errors? Key controls include approval workflows, account reconciliations, segregation of duties, and documentation checks to prevent errors and fraud. Question number 16. Describe the month end or year end closing process. What steps do you follow, especially with the VAT or corporate tax provisions? I reconcile accounts, calculate accruals and depreciation, prepare VAT and corporate tax provisions, and finalize financial statements to ensure accurate reporting and compliance. Question number 17. How do you communicate tax or financial reports to non-finance stakeholders in UAE businesses? I summarize key metrics and use charts or dashboards to make financial information understandable for non-finance stakeholders, helping them make informed decisions. Question number 18. What experience do you have in audits in the UAE? How prepare for an FTA audit or corporate tax audit? I assist in audits by preparing schedules, invoices, and supporting documents. I ensure all VAT and tax records comply with the FTA and corporate tax requirements. Question number 19. How do you manage accounts payable and receivable efficiently considering UAE business norms or payment cycles? I track due dates, follow up on client payments, and schedule vendor payments on time to maintain smooth cash flow and compliance with company policies. Question number 20. Why do you want to work as an accountant in UAE? And what do you understand about the business or regulatory environment here? I want to work in the UAE because of its dynamic business environment and opportunities with international companies. I understand what corporate tax and compliance regulations, and I am eager to contribute to accurate financial management here. And that's it. These were the 20 most frequently asked accountant interview questions in the UAE, along with model answers to help you prepare with confidence. If you found this video useful, subscribe and hit the bell icon for the next video where I will cover advanced UAE accounting interview questions and tips for career growth. Thanks for the watching and all the best for your next interview.